Alright, here I want to show you how you can draw this isometric object. This type of isometric object, I want to show you how you can draw it. Now, if you look at what we have here, we have dimensioned this object. This object was sketched, so I want to show you how you can use the instrument to draw it. So this object is dimensioned. Distance from here to here is 50 millimeters, that is 5 centimeters. Distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 30 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 25 millimeters. From here to here is 20 millimeters, as you can see it clearly on the screen. So to draw this type of object, just look at the way I'm going to do it. It's very simple. So let me put it here so that you can see it. Now, what you need to do is that listen and look at the way I'm going to do it. So draw the horizontal projection plane as we did for the first one. So after you have done that, take your 30-degree set square, and place it on the T-square like this. So you draw a left receding line, then you turn it. So you turn your set square like this, and you draw the right receding line, and then you come here, you draw a vertical line. Set it like this, you draw a vertical line. Okay. Now, what you need to do is that the first thing that you need to do is that this is 50 millimeters from here to here. This is 15 millimeters. Okay, so what is total height? What is total height of the object? That is distance from here to here. So we can get the total height from here to here. Even if this is not dimension, you can know the total height from here by adding this 15 millimeters plus 25 millimeters. Because this 15 millimeters plus 25 millimeters is equal to distance from here to here. So 15 plus 25 will give us 40. That is 40 millimeters. So now, so the height is 40 millimeters. So take a measurement. Take a measurement of 40 millimeters on the vertical. Take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. Then, as you know that from here to here is 50, take a measurement of 50 millimeters. From here to here. Then, so what is the distance from here to here? So you can know it by adding this 30 from here to here plus this 20 from here to here, which is also 50. So take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here. Okay, so let's call this point. This is A. So this is B. This is C. And this is D. Alright, so draw a vertical line at this point. Draw a vertical line at point B. Draw it up like this. At point C, also draw a vertical line like this. Then turn your set square like this. So bring it to turn your set square like this, bring it to point D. And draw this line. So you turn it like this. So you bring it to point D. So you bring it to point D. So draw this line. Then you take it to this point. So draw this line, then you turn it like this and bring it to this point. So actually you have constructed a cube as we did for the previous one. So this is point E, this is point F, and this is point G. Alright, so after you have done this now, so after you have produced this cube, so the next thing that you need to do is that you know that the height from here to here is 15 millimeters. The height from here to here is 15 millimeters. So what you need to do now is that take your ruler and take a measurement of 15 millimeters from point A up. So this is 15 millimeters here. So take a measurement of 15 millimeters. Okay, so after taking the measurement of 15 millimeters, you can see that this line it goes like this. So what you need to do is that, so take your set square and set it like this. So transfer this line to this side, and then this same line at 15 also goes backward like this. So you take it and turn it like this. So transfer it backward, and also we also see this line also goes backward on this side. So you take it and transfer it, bring it to this point here. So bring it to this point. So this point that we have here, bring it to this point, and you transfer it backward a little bit. So it goes like this. Alright, so if you look at, let me extend this a bit. Okay, so if you look at the distance from here to here, this is 30. Distance of this line from this point is 30 millimeters. So you take your ruler and take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point here. Take a measurement of 30 millimeters backward. So this is 30 millimeters here. Alright, so you take your, so if you look at this line and this line, they are parallel to each other. So you take your set square, so you turn it like this. So you move it to this point, and you transfer this point to this side. Okay, so after you have done that, so if you look at, so we have drawn this line now. So if you look at this line, at this point there is a vertical line, and we also have a vertical line here. So we have a vertical line, the same line on this point. So what you need to do is that from this point here, so from this point here, and also from this point, so you take your set square and set it like this. Then draw a vertical line from here. Okay, and then you bring it to this point here. Bring it to this point. Also draw a vertical line. Okay, so look at the vertical line. They meet this line at this point and also at this point. So now, so you can get this line now by joining this point and this point together. You can get this line you can get by joining this point and this point together. So when we do that, that means we are done. So there is it. So you move your set square like this to this point, and you can join them together directly. So you draw this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, the object has been produced. So what I just need here is to bring out the object itself. So look at it. So with my thick line, so with thick lines, I bring out the visible outlines of the object, and that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so this work requires patience, so you don't have to rush. This is a technical work. So if you want to be an engineer, you need to know this. You need to know how to do this. So don't forget, we are not taking the whole line. So because it is from here to here, for this one from here to here and from here to here, so you just take it from this point G to this point. So this is it. Okay, so you also come here, you do the same from here to here, and then so this is part of it. So you take from here to here, and also from here to here. All right, then the vertical part of it, so you take this one and also have this, then so you take this one, make it thick, visible, so that the object will come up. By the time I'm done, you see that the object will come out. And then the last one is this. Okay, so this is the object. So if you look at it, so this is the object. So this one is done free-handed. I sketch it free-handed. So and then I used instrument to do this. So you can see that this one is neater than because instruments are used to produce it. So this is done. This is as simple as you see it here. So what you need to do is to practice. So it's to do your own. You do it as you are watching it, you are doing it. As you are watching it, you are doing it, and you master it within few days. Thank you for listening. God bless you.